Hello folks, again today 2nd of July, and we have reached the summit. It is 7,600 feet according to the sign, but according to my watch it's 7,500, so we still have a discrepancy. In the distance, spectacular views. Utah is just marvelous, and well, a little reward, and this is a face of sweat. But it's also the face of happiness. It is wonderful to be here, and it is wonderful to have the opportunity to bring this story to you. I hope you're watching. Kids, I hope that you're learning from this experience. I certainly am. Alright guys, I will catch you later. Well, at the summit of life there's always a reward, just like at the summit of all these great mountains. And so here is my reward for having climbed to 7,600 feet today, and with not very good skies in terms of there was a possibility of rain, but on the other hand maybe it's a blessing because it could have been the burning sun. So you have to appreciate what you're getting, and even sometimes when you think it's a problem that you're being given, maybe in fact you're being given the solution, but you just don't know it. So that's why in life we have to be patient. We have to be very much aware of the messages life it constantly gives us and shows us the pattern and the way, but we have to be attentive. We have to be sensitive to this, and that means we have to be listening and with our minds very open. We really have to walk through life with a very open mind, because more often than not we end up being more of a problem for ourselves than many of the obstacles that life actually puts in our way. We tend to create more problems, but at the same time, when we get the right frame of mind, we're also able to produce magnificent things. Again, part of the human paradox. It is so fascinating, that aspect of the human race. Perhaps that is one of the reasons I'm now, even though it's later in life and I'm not too much older than, but at the age of 46 I'm studying anthropology, because that field covers, well, most aspects of the human experience, because it goes from the very scientific to the very philosophical. Alright guys, no more preaching. Beautiful, majestic, awesome America. I'll catch you later. Look at this rock formation. It is just splendid. It is massive. Look at the rocks over here, how they're crumbling in the effects of time and the different layers of sediment. This is a phenomenal canyon that I'm going through. This is part of Escalante National Monument. Look at the dry riverbed. So can you imagine when it rains? Because you can see the banks of the dry river, so you can imagine the force of the water just coming down. It is imposing. This is again, language has its limitations, and when you see these majestic sceneries, that's where language ends up not living up to what you can describe. Look at that. That's why an image is worth 1,000 words, they say. And video, well, multiply that. I am 8 miles away from Escalante, and I'm going through this beautiful, look at the layers there, in the sediment. The story of our planet is told here. It's hidden. In every piece of rock there is a story that's told. This is so fascinating. Again, I don't know, we could be doing so much more. big can we be? Oh. And you see nature, taking advantage of every crevice. Where a tree can grow, a tree will grow. Where grass can set roots, it will do exactly that. Fantastic, huh? Look, at the very edge, those trees, how they grab on for life, and that's actually what they're doing, grabbing on for life. For millions of years, this is in geological time that this story is told. This is phenomenal. And I'm only able to film because